Kotoko prepare na omo preseason no omo hyase.
Okay.
Meno ka say Stanley Menzo at flight wa oba Ghana.
Fantastic.
Enra nwumre na Japanese na me pe final confirmation from Eric Tinkler. Na akaskasam ketwa bi nkomo ketwa bi. Ketwa bi fia bi etim, but I know say Kotoko chairman, executive chairman. Ever solve. Said 3 days ago, me catch say meeting because on phone. And I'm catch say na executive chairman of Asante Kotoko.
Yes.
Na ye Kotoko director of football. And an incoming coach, you know. Omo ever sort but enra nyuma wura Eric Tinkler a camp no. Na omo train call bia e confirm say ade no. The arrangement in terms of the flight ticket or the banner arrangement na done.
Wow.
To a man bag is say na Eric Tinkler call akofo the SA South African Airways no deba.
Wow.
The ticket no the ban number no ya wo.
The original Falaman.
Ewa ha enti owura no aye crowd up sepanyi oba abepi. Na me catch you say Stanley Menzo buy no okwada ko jache. And o catch Asante Kotoko executive chairman James Osei Brown Joe Shop say onya nyoma bi ewo adakoja acho emfama no. O check the 2 training pitches. O check the container project na wo no.
Okay.
And he requested say ono ohia office ewo adakoja achi.
Nice one.
Head coach na ehia office ewo adakoja achi. Head of the youth team coaching Hamza Obin ehia office ewo adakoja achi.
Nice one.
Medical team ni here office ewa adakoja achi.
Fantastic.
And open gym center no so ewa adakoja achi. He requested all of this.
Wow.
Enti ebra enra Asante Kotoko start a medical sub Japan. Medical screening, medical checkup, normal. Ya na normally ye breaki league na. Say medical team ni intact omo ni player be a shaper o de call here.
Yes.
When you come, they will take you through the screening. Patrick see do another way. Adia ba kwa bisopanya na hi omo pa no eye wakoma no ho adwuma ECG ne niam mpacho medical medicine from ka ECG na ya na nye electricity company azem no muka akoma no ho asem mo be check nioma enti empanyfo ahyese adwuma na sebisopanya.
Okay.
Enti on the side of the playing body Aziz Aruna Dari ni na omako ye de obia fa through the medical screening. Yes, we a branch editing at the Fusaini Zakaria. Yes, Zakaria also in ye.
Mbaso Brakuma 87.9 FM.
Emmanuel Kote. This is Emmanuel Kote, the right back. I'm back at Jose Kote. Confoso called Tosca FC. Called Tosca because got conton. And on the contract, so got Enchemu. Any other place. And Omoyan in batches, Mamin Chim.
Okay.
Wait, and Nakrania story ye. Omoyan in batches. But I was a penny, Makacho Kotoko residence on. Then he put a page, as I say, young Pam Ranjin free. Make a question for me because I'm no more yagin. Stanley Menzo, they may yagin, say, they must keep the boys there. And Menoka say, they've been called to camp and to call camp Kotoko started training. But I'm ranting or campo. Tilma, near Frebimo, now at the car before Ed Mako. Baby, a medical screening, no, near Quay at Yamam. Sir, in Tim Ranton, oh. Ya omo twenty Monday training ebeshase Stanley so ebedra on him ranch e meeting ni nyina no we nyina na ye mogu no ye de prapra ye mbredwa
the original Falaman
we there as fresh as the last 15-20 minutes
pepe sure
o join here e wo page no so akoma 87.9 FM on Facebook ubenya emfonyini ne eyiye pa bujapanyi.
Yes sir.
Asante Kotoko for ashe adwuma se ewo adakoja achi. Adwuma ekoso adakoja achi.
Okay.
Uram ewo the old training picture as at the timer me dru adakoja achi no. Na afidie esiso a ye doso.
Okay.
As at the timer me free adakoja achi afidie na edoni ni.
Wow.
This side has been weeded or clear here pa and ura no etwa no in a uniform manner. A branch and all does or doing a uniform manner. Who say, Mammy Phobia, so what the other side were almost so a picky wheat, unwanted, wheat. Eddie a freedom, and he owura we na edo na ema no so na machira unwanted weeds ni nyina no omututu e de efrim enkakrakra so we the old training pitch kai say Kotoko two pitches e wada kujache.
Okay.
This is the old training pitch and we juma buzapanyi koso old training pitch o Kabiru jina hama me makano kan mfim ho na buy na ubo se adwuma bi koso ma be kirekirim.
Okay.
Kan ba buzapanyi won kai yesi we jo shop o ama ho na ama o enie just Bochema company no a car enisi wo no.
Okay.
Enti we na namre bi upe bia no mo se 4,000 in 4,000 out no. Enti Bochema ne car ni bi ni na wafa no so e de asisu na we ne nketo ne bi e kwa ya adwuma bi specific e wo adakoja so Asante Kotoko adakoja ahani but this is not our focus. So field no first training pitch no omukusu omodoso ya groundsman yeso adwuma.
Okay.
Ufri ya no akwase ho no.
Yes.
The new training pitch ndi abapanyi no kwasam sam sensan kro no mudua na FAE pa.
Okay.
We say we no see fu ne level no now they compare new training pitch na difference e wo kakra.
Nice one.
But new training pitch no issues kakra e wo ho. Ano no baby aka so mo de white sand no ya man na ka je pepe unim minim se ba radio out me ntime challenge o ba me se me de anwa fufuo bedua grass house yenye kobra na otwumi ni koba na otwumi na hofu
Fantastic.
ho na be panyi as a white no atotum kakra but in general o hwe we quality we this is the second training pitch or the new training pitch or they compare the old one now who the difference in the type of grass na mpanyifo edua no enti eno so omo yeso adwuma kakra to get it ready na me sure za ha no na nse su brand na neto no na ze isane bada side no eno na ama eho no aye ye white na sana omo kuso eye eho adwuma wo bzepanyi enye asem ketwa two pitches no omo ye ho adwuma no Stanley Menzo, the director of football, requested for specific things container project under the board chairmanship of Dr. Chei and the management direction of Nana Yamposa. Yamposa, the CEO, and Dr. Chei, a board chairman. And we containers, no. Omuguswa, one a year, a Jumapa. A training page, new one, no question, ever power.
Yeah, anyone will check a
handy ever as a China channel, maybe. The camera was controlled by DJ China. Or channel market will be Ijna baby and Yasan Ketokati. Of the Penu room, our second page now. I know in ye, one more eguso, a so a juma a wa. On the door. Mamma fan to just say, Kotoko, or Mamo, the length of mucha grass in Edruno.
Wow.
Watch your more length or pet your bob measure. Okay, sir, Bazuna forgot you come and let go marry there. Tomba Majan said, the other possible now or penny a year, or my donor Samana, and no elbow. I was a president jump. Now to the main project. Join us, Akoma 87.9 FM. Me patcho Uram Awo, Yem Page and so on. Kabiru Kape old video, Udama Anna, we my video we now. But Kabina old picture of Adako Jachina. Old picture of Adoko Jacha, my way national, one. Pe old picture, I said people understand very well. A brave Japan, Omoya content and what you man area when I know video on for the video room to so. Omoya content and what you of the Pajamaka. Omo bone ya be a swan FFF.
Yeah.
Send me and go for me. My catchers are dear minimum competence. They are in counts in baby.
And Miana needs to container
near bossy container so no.
And a good for more.
And no, and ya whining a form wa Kabiru this a picture baba. Kabiru not inside me per in Miana good for one and a video no bomb. Oh, me penno a hona crana. There be hedgina, I don't need you, I will come there. It's a penny so rama. And Miana good for mono. Ya quite check here no, in fact, in Miano a pro. Enuana pro ya check here enuana a proper abzapanyi enti womo ayi nuane nyina e de afiri ɛsoro no ɛna ɔmode ɛnadeɛ aluminium bi ɛna sɛ sɛ wɔn ɛde ɛyɛ adwuma no nti Kabiru medase pa wei ɛyɛ when the old project was was launched by the then management led by Nana Amposa no it was ɔmode roof green bi ɛna gu soro no ɛna wohu ɛwɔ TV so kama yi ɛna ɛyɛ nnua na ɔmo abobɔ de asi so ɔmode saa green roof no ɛde gu so no abusapanyi
yes sir
saa green roof we no yɛdwira gu fam baabi because da bebree yi
okay
ɛna nnua no nso no deɛ ɔmo de bɔɔ base no ɛde fam bɔ adeɛ wei no bebree na abusapanyi na aporɔporɔ eti a new contractor is on site
wow
nipa no bebree awo Kabiru medase we nnua ni yie pa so abusapanyi we nnua na na ɔmo de abɔ apagya adeɛ no saa
nnua wei na egu fam no
yes nnua na sisi egu fam no aporɔporɔ nsuo togu so na awie bɔ so you know edua entimi enye conductor of both water and heat na eba nti eno na mpanyimfo adwiri ni nyina ede egu fam ha ebusapanyi
wow
enua ni ede egu fam ha yi omo ye free ho
okay
and omo replace it with dade dentia me man Kabiru che car no to so jo shop no begu ho no because the Kotoko executive chairman contractor na the construction company jo shop nti no nipa no bebre na omo ko adakoja ache no by return with the notion say jo shop construction and adwuma no
okay
Pepe Suarez on filler time on Akoma 87 per FM on Pepe Suarez media metma ka ade ato anim say enya jo shop construction limited and adwuma ewo adakoja ache Kotoko container project enya jo shop constructions Kotoko at the contract ama a company. It's a company no and a adwuma no.
Okay.
So Kotoko asem there enche na bia bo chairman ya no buy no the contract man company. No aje ya no fa ya no ye sei kremu kasa na ya na e ba ye nim se de besi akọ. But yen ye wura form na yakoba. Ni ama details no.
Nice one.
Adwuma na ekoso no. Enya Joshop Construction Company na ye. Construction company di at the Wisdom Grace Construction. Obi abusa house Pepe Suarez na ka kire o.
Fantastic.
Wisdom Grace Construction.
The original fella man.
Ana adakoja achi project yem zapanyi omo ho a. Wonom eye saa adwuma no ewo saa project no.
Sisuma mbio Pepe.
Me say. Ukoko duro se sie ya. Obo se ka kakra ka na si ono. Jo shop ne ka ne bia.
Okay.
Na ne ka na si ono. Pe no adwo so so construction site. Na ko say bia Kofi Job cars zizi wa sa cheso na ye adwuma. But ye bowram epia omo ye adwuma ne mpanyifo di nkomo. Company na oil construction din at the Wisdom Grace Construction.
Nice one.
Wisdom Grace Construction. Wamo adabza panyi omo ye adwuma. Now me pese obia abehade e wa ha. Obia mra na ye nya adwuma wi wa ha na yemfa munsi. Abza pese me jambo.
Pepe Suarez Brakoma 87.9 FM on Facebook na behwe bi.
Omo yi nnua no efiri ho no. Wa na de Kabiru gina ha mpe. Gina ya mame. Ugina ya mpe Kabiru. Eti sese ba bia dua wo bia no. Saa dade ya Kabiru aposo ai wa yi. Ana bisa panyi omo ede AC eso a project akosoro no.
Okay.
In fact, mame fanto anim sa containers ne stro ni nyina bisa panyi. Omo de iron rods aguso. Me bai no omo flows utienie.
Wow.
Te said ye usi abrosan ya flows no. Sesi udura dakoja ache wa ban ho bia. Uye chinchefo akwada koja ache osisi uduru wa. One a day concrete flow all the containers and so concrete and iron rods eguso a mu flow so omo wia ma memfo nto anim sa containers no so na nnua na eguso no
Okay.
omo beto tiles ewo esoro na ubetima atena na tiles
Wow.
omo wia no ma boso nti nade na e ba boso ave Kabiru ma video ni nguro na eduru ba bia mo asomra am kase gina na wagina eti omakoto enchanse na mo be bob dan so nya panyi ya togu odada nti enye project a afa na board chairman no eko pesca free baby anopai the board chairman of Asante Kotoko or mamika the executive chairman one another board member ebo rem ewo Adakojachi ha ena no pay wonom ekọ ho eti abusapanyi won forma Kabiru gina enchanse no ene dade na gu forma no
Okay.
and the number of people on site abusapanyi omo do so papa.
Wow.
It tells you the fact that on person mo adwuma na ntem eti workers ewo ho bebrebe. In fact me koduru hono na stuffing chairs akasi bi ho ana omo pack e dey free ho. In fact me win ko anam ka so mo dey begu ho. But when I asked I said na ho dada but adwuma na mo ye ni chomo yi for safekeeping so mo abia dan abia containers ni ma omo yi for safekeeping omo wi they will bring it back.
Nice one.
Enti adwuma so then inside the containers Kabiru yengra containers nim
The original fella man.
yeah adwuma na ka cho se be ya
Suarez.
eno ye shebo e ka kire ye ahwefo no se ye be wura Adakojachi
Nice one.
ni akofa details of the ekoso no eno ne ye dey ma wi
Nice one.
abusua we inside the containers
Okay.
eti honso ye ko ne ye nya painters a womo adwuma omo de omo de no so mo ye painting ti baby so omo de filler fa na mra nche de filler to say offices ne bia won washroom e she inside apart from general washrooms no mo ye no omo washrooms e she inside no doors ne de sa Chinese doors papa bi ene eguma just correct pa eno e wo but the painting work on baba ye no ena mra nche na sha se panyi omo what do you call it omo de we no fa ho a fellas no yeah and so adwuma ura inside koso nti washroom se ba kuni ura office bia na na washroom e inside ura office bia na washroom na e inside wonom eguso ho adwuma dententen ho a eno enye asemketo akra nti no we Asante Kotoko container project no ena omo enhance no.
Fantastic.
The contract has been awarded by the Kotoko management or the board. One ade ama your friend saying omudi ama what do you call it? Company din ade Wisdom Grace Construction. Wisdom Grace Construction. Nana ono workers man cham. Omo na buso penyo mo site a omo ye adwuma yi. And adwuma wonom no adwuma mu bewie ama Kotoko betima in the meetings no ho. In fact, said the Kotoko Ghana in general, yeah, they are omu air conditioners installation. Kotoko sponsors high sense.
Yeah.
The air conditioners near the buy should be state oma or sebefem kakra. But in general, work is progressing. Ewo Adakojachi. The expectation is and now Stanley Ebabe Drew. Yeah, shani mu ase we be na otwe wie Eric Tinkler Ebabe Drew. Players ne guso medicals in batches.
Okay.
Ya frema no makoy mu de. In fact, almost all contracted players of Kotoko ebe medicals ne bi, including omo contract ebia Kotoko be job mokwan no. Because Kotoko ebe prepared dossier of player opeso jana kwan e the medical report account. Enti adwuma egusu gidigide buzapanyi ekoso ewo wo soro a workers ni gejina on hono mu egu concrete no containers no soro no omo gu concrete omo wi a omo wa be totals ewo so then you bet me to just say entire project buzapanyi it is going to be fenced. The Kotoko executive chairman James Osei Brown ono issue unza chairman solo me coin na chairman solo every ho chairman solo as a global supporters chairman to war no.
Okay.
And oma to war no from the side now lead to baby a polyphone hostels no one hotel bi no oma to ho na kwesi.
Wow.
Aka ni mu de no ene nche mu de no oma to foundation ni nyina de matene se board chairman no edi mu titima se oma to wo no nwie ntem no mo fence because one of the things coach Menzo Akachom say he want the facility to be fenced. Okay. So there sometimes if they want to do things they don't want anybody to enter, they can control. Yaka say there. I want to cry and go for it is a 1-2 offense, 1-2 war now. And go for Chamon to say, oh, yet training will be Chamel. We I am Japan. The free Adakojachi. At the bosses, yeah. ɛna yɛde wei ɛde ɛbrɛ wa ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa